Kids, do you know that intelligence is more powerful than strength? Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a clever jackal who saved the entire jungle with his wisdom. A long, long time ago, there was a dense and lush green jungle. All sorts of animals lived in this jungle. Rabbits, monkeys, parrots, elephants, deer, and a very clever jackal named Chandan.
The best way to live in the jungle is be smart and support everyone.
One day, a roar echoed through the jungle.
I am Vikram. Now I will be the king of this jungle.
Vikram was very powerful and cruel. Every day he would kill and eat an animal. All the animals lived in fear.
This can't go on. We have to do something.
If this continues, the jungle will be empty.
Then everyone remembered. Chandan, only he can help us in this crisis.
We all trust Chandan. He's the only one who can save us.
Chandan was listening to everyone carefully.
We can't fight the lion directly, but we can definitely make a plan.
What's your plan, Chandan?
I'll tell you, but we have to work together.
All the animals nodded and said,
The plan is brilliant.
The next day, Chandan approached Vikram.
Your Majesty, another lion in this jungle calls himself the true king.
What? How dare anyone challenge me?
If you wish, I can take you to him.
The lion was furious. He roared and followed Chandan. Chandan led the lion to an old well in the jungle.
Your Majesty, there's the lion.
Who are you to try and steal my jungle?
Enraged, Vikram jumped into the well. Splash!
Oh no, it was a trap.
The lion fell into the water and couldn't get out. The lion roared for hours in the well, but no one came to help.
I treated everyone badly. Now I'm the one who's trapped.
The lion realized his mistake, but it was too late. When the animals learned that the lion was gone, they all breathed a sigh of relief.
Now we can sleep peacefully again.
We are all grateful to Chandan.
A special meeting was called, where Chandan was declared the protector of the jungle.
You're our hero, Chandan.
Intelligence and unity. These are what will keep us all safe.
That night, there was a celebration in the jungle. They all cooked together, sang songs, and made a promise to each other.
From now on, we will face every challenge together.
In our jungle, there will be no fear, only love and unity.
A few days later, Chandan gathered all the young animals and told them a story.
Kids, remember, strength isn't always the solution. Think carefully, work together, and you can solve even the biggest problems.
The kids clapped and hugged Chandan. So kids, how did you like the story? If you liked this video, then like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you can get fun and educational stories like this every week. We'll see you again with a new story. Until then, bye kids!